The current reality of AI is transforming our world through job changes and raising new security concerns. AI is rapidly integrating into businesses, with 35% already using it and another 42% exploring its adoption. This isn't just hype. AI is now the top cybersecurity concern, surpassing even ransomware. 29% of security leaders cite AI and privacy issues as their number one concern. We're seeing AI transform jobs across industries, automating routine tasks and changing the skills needed to succeed. New specialized roles are emerging to work alongside these advanced technologies. The impact of AI varies significantly by industry. Healthcare shows positive job growth, while manufacturing faces potential job losses. This transformation is reshaping our economy in profound ways. While some fear job losses, the data tells a more nuanced story. By 2025, it's estimated that AI will displace 75 million jobs globally, but will create 133 million new jobs, resulting in a net positive effect on employment. Marketing is one industry already transformed by AI. Over 80% of marketers now use AI tools, with ChatGPT being the most popular. While these tools help create content, there are growing concerns about misinformation and impact on website traffic. The key takeaway is that AI is not a distant future. It's here, it's changing the game, and understanding its implications is crucial. While job transformation is already underway and security concerns are rising, the overall outlook suggests a net positive effect on job creation.